The moment you walk into a room, before you have even opened your mouth to say a single word, there is a language being spoken that has nothing to do with your voice. It is a silent frequency, a vibration of your character that women pick up on almost instantly. Most men believe that attraction is a puzzle to be solved, or a lock to be picked with the right combination of words, clothes, or status. But I want to tell you something different today. I want to invite you into a deeper understanding of how the female heart actually moves. For a woman, attraction is rarely a sudden explosion. It is more like the rising of the sun. It is a gradual warming process that begins with a sense of safety and culminates in a deep, undeniable pull toward a man's core essence. This is a space for us to be honest, to peel back the layers of performance and to look at the psychological landscape of connection from a perspective you may have never heard before. If you have ever felt like you were doing everything right, but still failing to connect, or if you feel that the world of dating has become a shallow game you don't want to play, then you are in the right place. We are going to explore why your internal world is the greatest tool you possess, and how the evolution of your character is the only path to a love that is both passionate and permanent. To understand women, you must first understand that we are biological and emotional detectives. From the moment of first contact, we are scanning for more than just physical symmetry or social standing. We are looking for the why behind the man. Why does he carry himself that way? Why does he treat the world with kindness or with bitterness? We are looking for the structural integrity of your soul. Imagine a house that is beautifully painted on the outside, but has a rotting foundation. A woman might admire the paint for a moment, but she will never feel safe moving her heart into that house. Today we are going to talk about how to build that foundation so that your presence becomes a sanctuary rather than a sales pitch. We have been taught by a fast-paced digital world that everything should be instant. We want instant success, instant fitness, and instant attraction. But the most beautiful things in nature take time to grow. Think of a redwood tree. It doesn't rush its growth. It focuses on its roots, and because its roots are deep and wide, it can withstand any storm. A man's character is his root system. When you focus on being a man of depth, authenticity, and emotional maturity, attraction becomes an organic byproduct rather than something you have to hunt for. Many men spend their lives chasing butterflies, only to find that the butterflies always stay just out of reach. But if you spend your time building a beautiful garden, the butterflies will come to you and they will stay. I want to help you build that garden. This process starts by deconstructing the myths we've been fed. We've been told that women want the bad boy, or the rich guy, or the perfectly chiseled guy. While those archetypes might grab initial attention, they do not sustain attraction. What a woman truly craves is a man who is home within himself. A man who doesn't look to her to define his worth, but who knows his worth so clearly that his presence invites her to step into her own. This is the difference between a man who is a performer and a man who is a presence. A performer is always looking at the audience, checking for applause, and adjusting his act to get a reaction. A presence just exists, steady and unwavering, like a mountain. Mountains don't ask for attention, yet everyone stops to look at them. We are going to dive into the behavioral secrets that signal this mountain-like stability. We will talk about the power of the unobserved moment, how you act when you think no one is watching. We will talk about the nice guy trap, which is perhaps the most painful and confusing place for a well-meaning man to be. I will explain why your kindness, when used as a currency to buy affection, actually repels the very thing you want. And finally, we will arrive at the hard truth of self-actualization. This is the part of the journey where you stop looking at the woman as the prize and start realizing that the man you are becoming is the real reward. When you reach that state of being, you don't have to worry about how to attract women ever again, because you will be operating from a place of such profound value that the right people will naturally gravitate toward your light. This is not a journey of tips and tricks, it is a journey of transformation. It requires bravery to look in the mirror and see where you have been hiding behind masks. It requires patience to grow when the world tells you to rush. But I promise you, the man who emerges from this process will be more than just attractive. He will be legendary in the eyes of the woman who is lucky enough to find him. Let us begin by acknowledging the exhaustion that comes with trying to win at dating. If you are tired of the games, good, that exhaustion is the first step towards the truth. It is the signal that your soul is ready for something real. We are going to walk this path together step by step with empathy and clarity until you see that the secret to being wanted is simply being real. You are already enough, but there is a version of you that is even more realized, more grounded, and more powerful than you can currently imagine. That is the man we are here to meet today. He is already inside you, waiting for the superficial noise to quiet down so he can finally take the lead. Listen to the silence between the words, for that is where the real connection begins. We are moving away from the surface and into the depths where the water is clear and the truth is simple. Your character is your destiny, and your heart is the compass. Let us find our way back to the core of what it means to be a man of substance in a world of shadows. As we look deeper, notice how your body feels when you stop trying to get and start trying to be. There is a relaxation that occurs, a softening of the edges that ironically makes you look much stronger. A man who is comfortable in his own skin is the most magnetic thing on the planet. He doesn't need to dominate the conversation. He doesn't need to brag about his achievements. He doesn't need to put others down to feel tall. He is an anchor. In the middle of the chaotic ocean of modern life, a woman is looking for that anchor. She is looking for the person who remains calm when the waves get high. This is not about being emotionless. It is about being emotionally regulated. It is about having the maturity to sit with your feelings without being controlled by them. When a woman senses that you are the master of your own internal house, she feels an instinctive pull to be near you. It is the feeling of coming home after a long journey. It is the feeling of being seen not as an object but as a soul. This is the evolution of attraction. It moves from the eyes to the heart, from the physical to the spiritual. And once that connection is made at the level of character, it is almost impossible to break. You have the power to create this, not by changing who you are, but by becoming more of who you were always meant to be. This is your invitation to greatness. Take it with both hands and do not look back. The world has enough performers. What it needs are more men who are brave enough to be authentic. When you choose authenticity, you are choosing a path that leads to true fulfillment and a love that transcends the superficialities of the age. This is our shared mission, our quiet revolution of the heart. Let us go forth with kindness, with strength, and with the unwavering knowledge that our value is inherent and our potential is infinite.